Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.
Sushant would portray the masculinity, the rooted charm, the man's man quality, the troubled and celebrated life of people like MS Dhoni. He used to make us believe for 3 brief hours that he had crystal in his veins and embers in his heart. While most actors employ charisma and swagger when talking to journalists, he used to rely on seriousness. He once said, "Before I did theatre, I was very quiet, completely into books. For 17-18 years, I was in a happy space and I would have remained like that. I was not aware what is something that I wanted. I still have that problem. I was not aware that this is something I wanted to communicate. I still have that problem. I cannot be very expressive. I think about something and I express it in words, and there's an inherent loss of meaning." While attending an engineering college in Delhi when he dropped out of his 3rd year, Sushant enrolled in a Shaimak Dawar's dance class because someone told him very hot girls go there. After being included in the main company and dancing behind some of the India's beautiful silly people, Shaimak advised him to try theatre. He said, "Not for anything else, but you are not the best dancer I have. Still, I think there's something in you." So he went to Barry John, even so many years out of John's shadow. Sushant was 29 then, said with a peck of pride, "In my batch with Barry, I was the only one who got a B grade. Everyone else got a C." Soon after arriving in Mumbai, Sushant joined Nadhira Babar's Ekjut Theatre Company. He was exceptionally sincere and dedicated, very obedient, and one of the best students, recalls Babbar. Sushant eventually found himself in the theatre of the absurd that is our television world. He played the lead in Balaji Telefilms' Pavitra Rishta for 2 years and left before any generational leap could be written in. Given his later choices and abilities, Sushant is a proof that even in the world of our soap operas, there are good thinking actors. It makes you wonder what other diamonds Ekta Kapoor has been hiding in her handbag. Film careers in India are decided by birth. One can only imagine then the amount of obstinacy and belief any struggling actor needs to have. 4 films old, Rajput had walked a strange course. He is liked by some of our finest directors, but the audience seems indifferent to him. He played the good penny in Abhishek Kapoor's Kai Po Che, a man allergic to marriage in Manish Sharma's Shuddha Desi Romance, a trivial love interest in Rajkumar Hirani's PK, and an uneyebrowed sleuth in Dibakar Banerjee's Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. Sushant said, "With all these directors, I have realized there's no one right way of making a film. With Gattu, that is Abhishek Kapoor, it was a mix of heavy preparation and improvisation. Manish is lots of reading. Mr. Hirani, for how many ever days I shot with him, was very open to everything I was doing. Dibakar was completely different. He's so intelligent that he lets you think you are the one coming up with those ideas. That's genius, I guess." Sushant had garnered an immensely likable reputation with the people he has met on his way to the top. Shaimak Dawar, who runs into him at award shows and events, says he's still as grateful as ever and keeps thanking me. Babbar, in her smoking voice, says, "His success has not even touched my fingers. It's never gone to his head. Whenever we invite him for any of our play openings, he's the first one to arrive. It's so nice to see him." Casting director Mukesh Chhabra, who coached him for Kai Po Che, says, "He is like my child." In an industry where bedfellows change with each film, he's someone who held on to Ankita Lokhande, his co-star on Pavitra Rishta, and his live-in girlfriend of many years. Since the Indian press likes to behave like Indian grandmothers, he used to be asked about his marriage plans in almost every interview. But soon they broke up and life moved on. Sushant used to say, "I was already a superstar in my mind." Pains us to share that Sushant Singh Rajput is no longer with us. He died by suicide, which makes breaking this news all the more heartbreaking. Please keep him in your thoughts and celebrate Sushant's life through his legacy in films. He was an excellent artist with so much potential, sadly cut short. May his soul rest in peace. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Telechakkar for all the news related to the entertainment industry.